Hi there friend, welcome back to my channel Bidda. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but internet not working in any Android device. Sometimes you can see your Wi-Fi is connected but internet not working on your device, but on the other hand your another phone working properly on the same network, just your specific device not working properly. It's not ISP related problem. This problem happen in your Android device. Here as you can see, my Android device is connected to my Wi-Fi network but no internet access here. If I go to YouTube, you can see internet not working here. If you want to fix these types of problem, first of all you can restart your device and then again connect to your Wi-Fi. If it's work, then okay, but if this method not work for you, then you have to reset your Wi-Fi settings. So let me show you how you can reset your Wi-Fi settings. First of all, go to settings, then search here reset. After that you will find here reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option. Click on that option. You will find this option from connection and sharing. You can go manually. After that, here below click on reset settings. Then you might need to put your device security pin for security purpose. Just put here your device lock pin. Then click on OK. Finally, it will reset your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then just get back from here and again connect to Wi-Fi. Go to Wi-Fi. Click above on the Wi-Fi name. Now just put here Wi-Fi password. Then click on connect. Now you can see Wi-Fi is connected. Let me check if my internet working or not. So if I go to YouTube, now as you can see my Wi-Fi network is working properly. So friend, if you think this video is little helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this video.